What a beautiful day down here today at Unity, guys. I'm here with the cameraman Kevin. We're just going to show you this Mapleton. We've just finished it. It's ready to go. It's for sale. 189,995. Okay, comes fully fitted with a deck and it's all inventory in there, everything. Come and have a look through, Kev. What do you think of the outside? It's gorgeous, isn't it?
This is one of the best vans we've got on the park.
Look at the size of this decking.
Absolutely
and it
huge.
looks over a lovely fishing lake, Kev.
Nice fishing lake.
We've got fishing, we've got a park, we've got golf, we've got swimming, we've got a fun fair. You name it, we've got it. We've got owners' parties, we've got loads of events going on. We've got stuff on all the time. Morning. Are you alright? Coming in, guys. So this is all set away from the main bit, so the kids can sit there. If they spill anything on the floor, it's all wood, which is perfect. What do you think, Kev?
I think that's a good idea.
You've got the mood lighting in this from Mapleton. Not many vans have got mood lighting, Kev.
No.
Absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Nice big corner L-shaped sofa.
It's a lovely sofa with a big buffet.
Yeah.
We've got the TV fitted, all working for you.
TV on the wall, ready to go. This van's fully kitted, ready to go. Got everything.
It's missing a kettle and a toaster. I just found out.
Ah.
Yeah, look at the radiators, Kev.
Huge.
Loads of cupboard space in this one. Look at the cupboard space.
Got a little island as well.
Double glazed, central heated. No age limit as well. We're quite unique now. You look at the size of that boiler.
Boiler cupboard, extra storage.
So, what's different about this park to most parks in the UK? We've got dog-friendly areas where are fenced in, so you can get your dog outside. Also, there's no age limit for the caravan. You can stay as long as you like. Yeah? As long as you follow the park rules, you're more welcome to stay. Look at that dishwasher, Ken. Nice, isn't it?
Full-size dishwasher.
And you've got loads of cupboard space. You've got a washing machine.
Got.
It's got everything in it. Look at this built-in microwave. Nice cooker. Lovely, lovely one. Honestly, God, I love it. Fridge, freezer. Yeah. All this space so you can take off your shoes there and hang your coats up. Lovely. Big open doors leading onto glass decking. Look at all these switches, Kev, all posh. So you can just dimmer them.
Yeah.
Then you've got the mood lighting switches. You can change the colour on the TV on. That's quite unique, isn't it?
I think that's pretty good.
I haven't seen that in the caravan before. Now these bedrooms are different, yeah? Because the van is like 40 foot by 20. Look at the room you've got. Oh, there's a bit of edging coming off there. We need to fix that.
Yeah.
Bit of edging there. Get that sorted. Then you got another ensuite bathroom for that bedroom there. So you've got 2 toilets and 2 showers. That's quite nice, isn't it? This bedroom's a bit smaller, but you can put the beds together. Loads of space in this one. Then you've got the master bedroom in here, Kev. Loads of space, loads of cupboard space, yeah? Okay. And the beauty of this one, yeah? Okay? You've got your own personal shower and toilet. Look at the room in it. Any questions, send us some messages, guys.
This is a perfect for family.
So we're on Unity Beach in Somerset, yeah? Pop down, we're 20 minutes from the M5 and we're about an hour from Bristol. An hour and a half from Cardiff, an hour and 20 minutes, depends on a good one. Got all the facilities, you've got the Wonky Donkey, everything you can think of, we've got it for you here, guys. Have a look at the lounge before you go, and let me know when you want to come and have a look at it. Yeah? It won't be here long, this one, Kev. This will be sold pretty quick, what do you think?
I think this is a lovely van.
Make sure you follow in, subscribe to me as well, and make sure that you follow my TikTok, which is Nigel19744, because I put daily videos on there, guys, so thanks.